Hey guys, I am again coming from Nashville, and I wanted to talk to you guys about how I essentially care for my hair while I'm on vacation and also some skincare in there. So really when I'm on vacation, I tend not to go overboard on like hair care and skincare. I usually bring the classic, three products from Dermalogica, travel sized, the gel cleanser, the spray-on toner, and I use the Prism Protect, especially in the summer. So I bring those three and I, do my skincare routine, much like the video I uploaded. It's very straightforward. And another thing I want to explain too is that while I'm on vacation, I do go out in the sun, but I use the sunscreen before I go out. And knowing my skin type, I tend not to get burned. So if I'm out in the sun for a little while, at least I have the protection of the sunscreen. I don't have to worry about burning and, all that stuff that comes along with it. But I will say that if you are fair-skinned, make sure you go to your esthetician or cosmetologist and have them pick out a line for you and give you some just general skin advice. Because with your skin, it really depends on where you fall on the Fitzpatrick scale. If you are very fair-skinned, I always recommend getting a higher SPF or, not staying out in the sun as long as you will burn. And that always tends to ruin the vacation. I mean, I know the one time I sunburned, it was, I think, because I didn't know what I put on was not a sunscreen. It was actually an accelerator, and you have to keep applying it. I didn't know that, so I was out in the Florida heat during the morning to afternoon, and my shoulders were so burned. They had like a small blistering to it. And while I had those burned shoulders, I was on the airplane. Some wise guy decided to go like this when he would sit down, and I actually jumped out in pain. That's how bad it hurt. So that is my own little, tale of caution. Be careful. Even if you think you don't sunburn, you might. And hair care wise, so I bring, if I'm checking in a bag, I'll bring a full-size bottle of my shampoo for the week. I tend to kind of use whatever I have. It really depends on what I'm reviewing or what I bought for review. Because when I buy a shampoo, I use it and then I buy another one to review and then I'll use it unless it's really, really bad. I have Reviving Red from Pureology, these smaller ones, and I'll bring those along depending on how I want to refresh my hair. I still enjoy my vacation. I go in the pool, which I know you're not supposed to, red hair, but I wet my hair before I go in. So I, get it filled with water. I go in the pool, whether it's chlorine or salt pool. I do have a lot of fadage, so just kind of ignore that. But one of the products I love is, so I don't look like a frizzed mess, I use the long hairs, and that's actually the company. It's really amazing. They're made for men with long hair. They have some of the best hair ties ever. This hair tie is still good, and it is from October. Yes, it's stretched out a bit, but I want to tell you guys something cool with this. I was at the pool in, I want to say, what was it, 2 or 3 days ago. I was at the pool, and we had an emergency storm. I accidentally left this outside, and it was only a hair tie I brought down there, so I'm like, oh crap, it'll be gone. Well, I went down there the next day. This thing was still in the same place, and it survived the storm. So the long hairs, you guys can now use this as a selling point. Your hair ties are essentially storm resistant. I honestly thought it was going to be blown away, but nope, it was sturdy enough to last. So what I'll do is, let me see if I can prop this up. And that's a really easy way to get good looking hair while you're on vacation, so you don't have to worry about having poofy hair. My hair is very wavy, but it's healthy, so I actually will condition well. Or I'll see if I bring a travel size deep conditioner. I'll do that after 3 days if I'm staying for like a week, so I can keep my hair looking healthy and nice. But this is nothing at all in my hair than shampoo and conditioner. And I let it air dry outside. So there you have it. The long hairs is one of my top travel products to bring if you are a guy with long hair and you want to keep your hair looking healthy and fresh, or you just want a good reliable hair tie that doesn't break or doesn't pull your hair too tight. I'm going to link their website down below. Dermalogica, you guys have seen my other products. Check them out. They have travel sizes. Go to any Hand & Stone because they carry them, or Salon Centric if you are a licensed professional. So like, comment, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll be on for more videos on traveling later on. So have a wonderful day, you guys.